everyone. In today's world, security is more important than ever. Due to rise in cyber attacks, nowadays it became more prevalent. It's crucial to have the right training to protect yourself and community from cyber attacks. At Razz Security Academy, we offer top-of-the-line training programs for the one looking to enter the security industry or enhance their existing skills in ethical hacking. We are dedicated to help you reach your goals with hands-on training, and our experienced instructors are committed to your success and provide one-on-one interactive support throughout the training. We also have a friendly environment space where you can train on your own time and at your pace. Plus, upon completion of a training program, you will receive industry-recognized certifications that will help you stand out in the job market. What are you waiting for? Take the first step towards a fulfilling and exciting career in cybersecurity. Contact Razz Security Academy today to learn more about our training programs and start your journey towards success.